Are you wondering if YouTube TV comes with YouTube Premium? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain the relationship between these two services. If you're hoping to enjoy ad-free videos and offline downloads, you'll want to hear this. No, YouTube TV does not include YouTube Premium as part of its subscription. While both are Google-owned services, they serve different purposes. YouTube TV focuses on live TV streaming with channels like ESPN, CNN, and local affiliates, while YouTube Premium offers an enhanced YouTube experience with ad-free videos, offline downloads, and access to exclusive content. That said, if you subscribe to both services, your YouTube Premium membership will still apply to your YouTube experience within YouTube TV, meaning you won't see ads on regular YouTube videos accessed through the platform. However, live TV streams and DVR recordings on YouTube TV will still have ads unless you skip them using the DVR feature. If this video helped you understand the differences between YouTube TV and YouTube Premium, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.